Hi, good day. By the way, my name is Ricardo O. Sanditan Jr., 28 years old, and currently residing here in Cagayan de Oro, Philippines. I personally describe myself as fat, not in my physical appearance, but in my characteristics. Fat means I am flexible, attentive, and has time management. If I will be given a chance to work at Oxbridge International School, I will be not bring any dependents to me, meaning I will be flying alone. And when it comes to my education, I finished a Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in mathematics at Mindanao University of Science and Technology. And I have also have my master's degree in Master of Science in Teaching Mathematics at the same school. Based on my experience, I've been teaching for 7 years and a half. I've been teaching in private school here in the Philippines and also public school here in the Philippines. Giving those experiences I believe that I am suitable and I have skill enough. Already the skills to perform the duties or responsibilities to be in your school. So thank you very much.